right, so I want to show you how to get the little baubles, little balls on the edge of this baby blanket. And I just love this baby. I love all my baby blankets, but you know, I have the pattern of the dots that we knit throughout the whole thing, and I wanted to somehow mirror the polka dots on the border. And these crochet baubles, little balls, were the best way that I figured out to do that. All right, and so I'm gonna show you several stitches, but I'm just gonna start with a bauble first. So, and you'll get the hang of it. It's a very simple pattern, but let's just start with a bauble. All right, so I have just finished this bauble, and I slip stitched 3. Okay, so I have 2. I'm gonna do the last one. So I'm gonna slip stitch. Okay. Then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do that loosely because I'm going to be going back in to this first one. But I'm going to double crochet back into the first one. So to double crochet, you wrap your yarn around your hook once, and you go into that first stitch and you pull it through. Okay, and then you wrap your yarn around your hook one more time and you pull it through 2 of the stitches. Now, if you remember, we started off with 1 stitch on the hook and now we have 2, all right? And we're gonna get up to 6 by doing 5 double crochets because we started with 1 already on there. Here's our first double crochet, and now we're gonna do that again. So you wrap your yarn around your hook into the first hole, pull it through, and then grab your yarn and pull through 2 stitches on your hook, and then you have 3. All right, let's do that again. Pull it through the 2, and we should have 4. Okay. Pull it through the 2, and we should have 5. And 1 more. Pull it through the 2. We should have 6, all right? Now at this point, we're going to just grab yarn and slip it through all 6 of those, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna slip stitch into the hole that we started at the very beginning, okay? Onto the edge of the blanket. Not the hole where we just did the 5 double crochets in, but the actual edge of the blanket. All right, so go into that hole and we're going to slip stitch because we're attaching that bauble now back to the blanket. Okay, and there's your bauble. Okay, then we're going to slip stitch 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and it's a loose chain. And then we're going to do our double crochets, 5 of them into this very first chain. All right, so we're going to wrap our yarn for the double crochet into that first chain. We're going to grab the yarn, we're going to pull it through. We're going to grab yarn again and pull it through 2. So now we have 2 loops on our crochet hook. Grab the yarn for the double crochet into that first chain. Grab a yarn again and pull it through the chain. Grab a yarn again and pull it through 2 stitches. Now we have 3 loops. All right, remember we're going to end up with 6 loops on our hook. So we should have 4. Okay, grab the yarn, go through the first chain, grab the yarn again, come through that chain, grab the yarn again and go through 2 of the stitches on your hook for a total of 5. Grab the yarn, go into that hole, grab the yarn again, come back through the hole, grab the yarn and go through the first 2 stitches, and we have the 6 now, okay? Then we're gonna slip stitch all the way through those guys and back into the very first, into where we started the chain of 3, and we're just going to slip stitch that. Okay, There's our other bobble. And then we're going to chain 3. I'm sorry, slip stitch 3. 1. All right. I think you will find that very easy to do, and I hope that was helpful.